How to fix pardon the interruption error in Microsoft Store. Hey everyone, if you're facing the error in Microsoft Store, this is how you can fix it. The first thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your Run dialog box by pressing Windows plus R. So it might be because your Windows is not being updated. So if you see an icon something like this, your Windows needs to be updated. So here, just type in services.msc and it will open up your services tab. Now you're going to have to go to Windows Update. So type W after clicking any one of them and right click on Windows Update, go to its properties, make sure the startup type is automatic. And then if the service hasn't started, just click on Start and then click on Apply and then OK. Once that is done, you're going to have to do one more thing. So scroll down and then find the update tab where it says update orchestra service. So just right click on it and go to properties. Do the same thing here. Make sure it's on delayed start this time. Click on apply and then OK. You should be good to go. So now you can just close it out. Check if there are any update available on your PC. I have Windows Update available, so you could just click on Restart Now or schedule a restart for the update. Once you've done that, restart your PC again, and your problem should be fixed. Now go ahead and check on Microsoft Store. Open up your store and see if that error pops up again or not. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.